clunkers.
Hey everybody, Chris here. He is a construction worker, works his butt off, but he also balances his work life with some CrossFit. He's a coach, so he's working out with heavy weights regularly. Came to us about a month ago, and he was looking to just feel better. He had like day in, day out, low back achiness, and pain at times, tension through the neck, shoulders. So I don't know, about 5-6 visits over the past month, and we've got him feeling really pretty good. He added in a little extra shoulder issue about 3 weeks ago. We treated him 2 times, a little bit of soft tissue work, and twice with the laser. And he said that laser pushed it right to the finish, and it's non-issue at this point. So that really helped him. So we're gonna get him tuned up today, and we'll show you what we do. All right, let's start looking to your right, up to the ceiling, and down to the ground. Let that chin drop down towards the chest. Good. Back up and down. So we've got some tightness through these muscles. Up. Get rid of some of the adhesions or scar tissue that show up from repetitive use. So whether that's him working and holding equipment over his head, or however many reps of exercise and lifting. So both of those things can bring on a little bit of tissue damage where that's fine, we're getting stronger, but we need to keep it clean, healthy tissue, not matted, tight scar tissue. Look up to the right, up, yep, and down. Good. And up. And down. Good. And up. And down. Good. All right, I'm going to have you lie face down. I'm going to put a couple of cups on your low back, and then I'll have you do a couple of press-ups while those are on there. So that's one thing that he started doing periodically throughout the day is doing the press-ups, our extensions. Everybody's seen these before with us. They are big hitters, especially when we're doing the kind of work that he does. And not to mention in his off time, he's remodeling a school bus. So more construction. He's good at what he does. And in the grand scheme of things, Chris, you're kind of new to CrossFit. 2 years, a year?
A little over a year.
Little over a year. It's made incredible changes for him. So, he's taking his time getting up to where he is, and again, that balance between work and home and work and off time. We're trying to keep him in one piece so he can keep doing what he likes to do. All right, let's go ahead and bring the hands, up to there. Watch, they'll move a little bit. Come on, upright. Perfect. And back down. Good. And up. Good. And down. And up. Good. And down. And up. And down. Rest for a second. One more. So right along here, we've got the erector muscles in the spine. They are there. They got to stabilize the low back. So making sure that there's good blood flow, recovery, and healing right before he goes to work. Kind of get everything loosened up, woken up. Do a couple more for me. Good. And up. And one more. Good. And down. Good. All right. Definitely a little different from the first adjustment. There's a little more resistance, a little bit of tightness, but now we got him Moving easy. All right, face me over here. Have you been to Gatlinburg?
Yeah, honeymoon.
Oh, fun.
Yeah.
Well, they got a couple good flavors down there.
Mm-hmm.
What, on your back for me? You're good.
Bonkers.
All right, let's crisscross the arms in front. There we go. Good. All right, breathing in and out. One more in and out. All right, one more. Face me over here. All right, everybody. We can keep you working, playing, working out, stay healthy. See you next time.